In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. Firstly, if you don't have a suggestion strip on, you need to go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down. When you're ready, tap on System and Update, then Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now after tapping on text correction, use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip. If it's blue, that means that your strip was successfully enabled. So when I go back and check it out, I can see that my suggestion strip is on. If you want to switch it off though, you can go into Settings as well, or you can simply click on this gear at the top of your keyboard, hit text correction and use blue switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!